Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. JFF President Michael Ricketts has painted a picture of calm despite a storm brewing with the senior reggae girls ahead of the two upcoming games in the CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup qualifiers on October 25 and 29. TVJ Sports caught up with Ricketts on Thursday night in St. Elizabeth, where he confirmed that Xavier Gilbert, who served as the assistant coach of the Reggae Girls team at the recent FIFA World Cup Down Under, has been promoted to the top job for the upcoming matches. Ricketts also suggested that they are still waiting on the availability of Englishman Jonathan Morgan, the Sheffield United women's coach, who is under investigation by the club over his alleged misconduct and behavior. Ricketts says Gilbert is capable of taking on the job. Meanwhile, although a squad is yet to be named, the JFF indicated in a press release on Thursday that one has been selected for the two games against Panama and Guatemala, respectively. The release added that a full technical support staff has also been put in place for the upcoming games. Now, many-time champion Stets will be looking to kick off the second round of the Issa da Costa Cup on a positive note when they play Irwin High this afternoon. BB Coke will also battle Paul Bogle, while Moran Bay will face Glenmuir. Meanwhile, top honours in Zone E of the Issa Manning Cup will be up for grabs when St. Catherine High battle leaders Mona High this afternoon. Mona leads the zone with 24 points, 3 more than St. Catherine, but a win for St. Catherine will see them top the group as they have a superior goal difference. Also from the zone, Holy Trinity will face Norman Manley at Maxfield Park. Now, reigning world under-20 sprint hurdles champion Kerrica Hill says she's back in training, having almost fully recovered from the injury which resulted in a premature end to her 2023 season. Hill was forced to end her season in June after suffering a leg injury at the race's Grand Prix. TVJ Sports caught up with the former Hydel High School standout recently and got an update on how much she has recovered from the leg injury.
Well, things is pretty good. We just started back training, so we're just trying to get things right for the upcoming season.
And fully recovered from whatever niggles you had or injuries you had?
Maybe like 99%, but we're getting there.
Hill, who set a championship record of 12.7 seconds to win her World Under-20 title in 2022, also holds the Jamaican youth best of 12.71 for the event. However, she says she's now fully focused on accomplishing at the senior level, including making her first Olympic team.
Well, it's just to stay healthy as possible, treat the body right, so I can make it to the trials this time to see how far I can go. But the aim is to make the Olympic team, but it's just a step by step.
Hill joined the professional ranks at the start of the 2023 season at age 17. This included moving to the Elite Performance Track Club, where she trains alongside the likes of multiple Olympic and World Championship gold medalist Shelly Fraser-Price. She explains how her first full year as a pro has gone so far.
It's just me, maturity, and learn to adjust to everyone around you, because I'm the youngest one at the camp, so having like Shelly and those people around really helped me to grow and elevate myself.
Hill owns a personal best of 12.75 seconds for the 100-meter hurdles. Now, Jamaican squash players could have a chance to qualify for the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles after the IOC confirmed its inclusion. President of the Jamaica Squash Association, Karen Anderson, says that the local fraternity couldn't contain their excitement when the sport had been ratified for the Games.
And I sent out a notification immediately to the squash community. And I just kept getting the messages coming in. Wow, fantastic. This is great. We have to start working now to get some people. But it's been tremendously positive. And, we're all excited about, next steps. What's going to happen next?
Anderson says the plans now need to be put in place as there is a possibility of having a representative from the country through qualification.
We need a technical director. We need a technical director. One, we need to identify some talent who we can now set a plan towards achieving the goal of getting somebody, a squash player at the Olympics in 2028.
And that is it for your Lunchtime Sports. And I am Jeremy. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.